So the situation today is one of my best friends here in the countryside has found an abandoned kitten outside her house.
He's so small.
Hi, Mama. It's Mama. It's Mama. Yeah, come on.
Don't you?
It's Mama.
He loves pets. You've been in adventures. Ooh, that's very far out.
You awake there, bud? Are you awake now? You awake? Come on out. Ooh, that big stretch. Do you need to go potty first, though? Oh, careful. Go potty first. Hey, let's go potty first. Chance of head brain injury. Oh my gosh.
여러분 안녕하세요. 제가 이번 주에 장박 설치를 하고
Gooey, come on. Come on. Gooey. Come on. Good girl. Come here. Oh. I've just come in to check the bread and just found Gooey is sleeping like this on the armrest.
Give me a kiss.
Come here, Gooey. Come here, Gooey. Come here, Gooey. Come on. Hi, Gooey. Good girl. Gooey. Gooey, come here. Come here. Come on, Gooey. Secret weapon. I've got a box. Come on, Gooey. There you go. Now I got it. Gooey. Come here. Come on. No, I got you now. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Oh, you're such a big girl now. I've had Gooey now for about, what has it been, like 4 months, I think? And I think it's long overdue that you guys got an update on how she's doing. And as you can see, she is all over the place. See her little ears above the couch? But yeah, 4 months of being a cat dad, a rescue cat dad, and I think things could not be better. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect with owning a cat, especially a kitten and a street kitten, but it really has been pretty fun. It's been great. It's been amazing. Come here, Gooey. Being a little bit mischievous right now, but she's generally a very good cat. She's really... Oh, she's working on her hops as well now. She's jumping around a lot. So she's close to being completely vaccinated soon. She's had 2 sessions of vaccines and she's got to go for 1 more in about 2 weeks. But once she's got all her vaccines done, then we can start doing stuff like, I want to take her out on walks, like just carry her around. I also want to leash train her as well and take her out on trips and stuff like that. I really want her to sort of like live her best life with me out here doing everything. Isn't that right, Gooey? As you can see, she still doesn't like sitting still. She just wants to run around everywhere. Gooey. But when it comes like nighttime, she's always there like snuggling up together, and she'll sleep with me every night, like right next to me. So I gotta be not super careful, but sometimes if I move around a bit, I can hear her let out a little meow, just being like, just chill. But luckily I don't move around a lot when I sleep, so it's not much of a problem. To be honest, having grown up as a dog person and having dogs before, I was fully prepared to sort of put in the same sort of like dedication and work it takes to raise a dog. Going out every day, taking on walks, potty training as well, just general training, all that kind of stuff. And honestly, owning a cat has been, I don't want to say easier, but it is a little bit easier. It is different. There's other things that you have to worry about. Honestly, I think it really matches sort of my lifestyle at the moment living here, because I'm home most of the time recording my videos, so I'm always around her. And occasionally I do need to go out, and it might be for a couple hours, and she's still totally fine at that as well. And it just so happens, like, when I need her to be sort of like calm and quiet, that is when she is calm and quiet. And then when it's like times like this when I kind of need her to be more like active and up and about and stuff, she is like that. Come here. As you can see, she loves to just run around everywhere. I leave all the doors open. She has full free reign over the entire house. I found that by doing that, she doesn't try to like be too mischievous, like getting into places she shouldn't be. I will just let her into a space, supervise her, let her explore a bit, and then after that, she's like, she doesn't give a shit anymore. She doesn't care. Like, for example, the back room, you see that door that's closed over there? That's sort of like the utility room where I also keep some of my ferments. I generally keep that closed anyway. So she got really curious for a bit, was always trying to like run in there. And then eventually I just sort of like let her in, supervised her a bit. And she got over it. She had a look around. She saw there's nothing really interesting in there. So now she doesn't really care about that room. So it's been really good. I still do have her on like kitten kibble. I'm using a kitten kibble that's been recommended. It's a Japanese brand, and there's like only one shop that I can buy it from, which does take me like an hour to get to, but you know, every time I go I try to get as much as I can. That area is also where my friend lives, and this is the friend that found Gooey in the first place, and she has been like an immense help in raising Gooey. She watches Gooey whenever I need to be gone for more than a day. She's got 2 cats herself, which actually she found her cats in the same spot as Gooey. Even just since like day one, her cats and Gooey have been socializing, and they're basically, I want to say like, they're basically like family now. So every time we go over there, I just let Gooey out of the carrier, and then like everyone is just happy to see each other. Gooey has a good time. She can be socialized without me having to get another cat here, because I don't think I could really have 2 cats here. But since my friend has 2 cats, it's basically like having 3 cats. And I really think Gooey likes going there to see her, let's just say cousins. And then coming back and also having her space here where she can just be sort of like by herself and calm down without also like a dog running around too. So I feel like we've got a good balance going there. And because I'm driving quite often between here and my friend's house, which is about a 50-minute drive, Gooey has become really good at being in the carrier. She actually loves it. I don't even need to like pick her up and put her in there. I'll open the carrier. I'll just do a little tappy tap in the carrier. She's right in there. Close it up. We'll jump in the car, and she might let out a couple meows for the first like minute or 2, but after that, she just, half the time she sleeps, half the time she's actually awake. Come here, Gooey. But yeah, in the car she's great as well, which is a relief. I've also had quite a few people visiting, where it's like family, friends, even like other animals, and Gooey has also been really good there as well. Like, she's not really shy. She'll come up to anyone that's in the house and basically just treat them like she treats me, although she does seem to have a preference towards me when we're in my house. But when we're at my friend's house, she couldn't give 2 shits about anyone who's around. She's just there harassing her cousins. Don't try to hunt my hands, huh? Where's your toy? Come here. And she's off into the laundry room. What are you doing under there, Gooey? Come on out. Come here. Gooey, come on. Why are you standing under the laundry? Come on. Come on, Gooey. Come on. Don't you just think she's such a beautiful cat? We've also confirmed that she is definitely a female. When we took her to the vet to get her vaccines done, she's definitely a female cat. And you can kind of just tell visually as well. She is a female cat. Look at, oh my god, Jesus. Look at her. Gooey. You're doing so well for the camera, Gooey. You're being so cute. I'm surprised she'll let me do this as well. Rub her belly like this. think she's probably all zoomed out. She's going to be ready to sleep for a couple hours now. Oh yeah, and the other thing is she's gotten really good at cleaning herself now. We used to have to always wipe her down. She always used to have a little poopy butt on her. Might have a little bit of poop on her feet from when she's digging around or burying her poop. But now she's pretty much spotless. Yeah, I got you this thing. Play with this. Funny, I bought this thing, and the only reason I bought this is because this is the packaging. It's a Johnny stick. So it's got catnip in it. So you know I had to buy it. It was only like $4 or $5. And she seems to like it a lot. I also have my little office set up here, and this used to be in the living room, the cat tree, if you saw the last video about it. But I decided to move this into here because if I'm sitting here doing stuff, it's nice for her to actually just sit here, and she can still stare out the window there. This view out the window, which is quite nice. And I find her just sleeping there anyway, even when I'm not in here. So it's a good, nice little spot. I think it's perfect. And if you saw my first video when we first found her, how small she was, she fit in the palm of my hand, her entire body in the palm of my hand. And when we went for our first round of vaccines, she weighed about a kilogram. And then we went again 3 weeks later. She had already gained 500 grams in those 3 weeks. The vet was saying is a little bit more than like average, but she looked completely healthy and she's really grown into her body. Like she's definitely grown into her head as well. Like you see how she does not fit in the palm of my hand anymore. She is looking like a normal cat. She's really grown into everything. Gooey, aren't you a good girl? You can go play. Where's your toy? Come here. And all this money I've been spending on toys has been worth it because she literally plays with every single toy that I've gotten her. It's just so much fun playing with cats. I think it's so much more fun playing with cats than it is playing with dogs. Because look how silly and goofy they are. Look at her. Come here. There you go, you can play with her now. So that's kind of like my quick update on Gooey and how she's doing. I do want to include her in more videos. It's just that when I'm filming a video, I don't want to force her to be in a video, in a food video, but she just doesn't really care about what I'm doing in the kitchen when I'm cooking or when I'm recording. Every time I try to like pick her up and put her in a shot, she just goes to do something else. Or she's just sleeping. But once she gets her vaccines done, which should be on the 14th of January, she's getting her last round of vaccines, she should be completely fine to go outside. We can start leash training her. I want to get a little sling bag that I can, you know, just take her out with me wherever I'm going. Like if I'm going to my parents' place, if I'm just going for a walk, if I'm just like going anywhere, I can just chuck her in. She'll be totally fine. Hopefully she won't try to like jump out too much, but we can work on that. But the next step is leash training so that we can do a lot of stuff outdoors and let her walk around a bit and sniff around a bit. This is what she's up to while I'm doing this. Gooey. Her stripes are really starting to come out, and she's got like little hints of orange on her as well. I think she's an amazing looking cat. She's got great proportions. Her face looks really good. She looks very feminine, very dainty, very cute. She's got good little toe beans, which she lets me trim. So I've been keeping her nails trimmed, making sure she's used to that, and so she's not so scratchy. She responds to my name. Alright, Gooey. But that's about it for today and this Gooey update. Hopefully with the start of this year, produce more videos with Gooey in it, more vlogs. And then once Gooey can go outside, we can take her outside. And that'll be all the whole thing. Oh, Gooey, no. Stay still, Gooey. But for now though, thank you for watching. And everyone say hi to Gooey in the comments. Alright, Gooey, I'll read them out to you later. You look crazy.